Does your partner agree with you stacking precious metals? In today's video, we're going to be discussing what your other half thinks about precious metals. And I would be very interested to hear people's thoughts on this in the comments section. And anyone that creates content, I'll be very interested to see some similar videos discussing this topic, because I find it a very interesting one. Now, my partner personally, she still, after me stacking for coming up to probably 6 years now, she still doesn't fully understand precious metals. I've made her watch countless videos of mine over the years. I've read out passages from stacking related books to her over the years. I've showcased pickups that I've got over the years. And she still doesn't really fully understand it. Now, don't get me wrong, she does enjoy having a look at some of the pickups that I get every now and then. She's a bit of a magpie. She likes things that are shiny. So she does appreciate silver as a metal, but as an investment, and when I've shown her different bars and coins, especially the vintage bars, she doesn't really understand the vintage bars. With me, I really like the vintage bars. I love the character, I love the story behind them, I love all the imperfections with them. I just love a vintage bar. Whereas when I've shown those to my partner, she really can't see the appeal in a vintage bar. She can't understand why I'd spend over the odds on something that isn't perfect. Now, when I've gone into the investment side of things and I've shown her the charts and I've explained inflation and money printing and all of these different things, she still doesn't fully, I think it's because it's not her interest. She doesn't fully understand it still. I think if she was to sit down and answer 20 questions about inflation and money printing, I think she'd actually do pretty well, because of all of the information that I've shared with her over the years and taught her. But because it doesn't really interest her, it's like with anything, if you're not interested in something, it's very hard to learn about it. The reason I've learned so much about precious metals and stacking in general is because I've really enjoyed the journey. I've enjoyed every part of this journey. I've enjoyed converting my fiat currency into something that's slowly going up in value instead of losing value. I've enjoyed the hobby side of it. I've enjoyed the community side of it. It's really the only hobby out there that I know of that actually makes you money long term. If you list all of the hobbies that you currently do apart from stacking, most of them actually cost you money in the long run. Yes, you get enjoyment from them, so that is where you get the benefit, but in terms of financial gain, most of hobbies actually cost you money. If you was to play golf every weekend, you're going to have to pay the membership for the golf club. You're going to have to upgrade your golf clubs every now and then, buy golf balls when they go in the river, hire out your little buggy thing, all the other costs in between. If you go for lunch or breakfast while you're there, these all add up. And yes, like I say, you get enjoyment from it, and that is why it makes sense to have a hobby and spend money on a hobby. But in terms of financial gain, there's really no other investment that I know that is like it. That's actually enjoyable. It's a hobby. It's not just numbers on the screen. It's not like you're investing in the stock market and you're just putting away X amount every month and it's just growing on an app and you're not really feeling the excitement and the enjoyment about it. With stacking, you're picking up things, you're getting things delivered through the post, you're unboxing things, and it's really just an enjoyable experience. So my partner has seen how much excitement and how much I enjoy stacking, and I think that's why she understands it to the degree that she knows that it brings me pleasure. She knows that I enjoy being part of the community and creating content. Like I said, I've always created content, so that side of thing I've always enjoyed doing anyway. But in terms of the actual investment side of things, I don't think she fully understands it. I don't think she really wants to understand it, because like I said, it's not really her interest. So she hasn't really absorbed every single thing that I've kind of explained to her about why it makes sense, in my opinion, over a long period of time. But she is very supportive. Now, when I first brought this bar, and this is my new pocket piece, by the way, this is something that Silverpunk poured me a while back now, I used to joke on the channel that this is a depiction of my partner when she sees the postman turn up with another piece of silver. She was like, "What have you been ordering now?" But the reality is, she's very calm about it. She's very cool about it. She doesn't really give me a hard time. She's always been supportive of everything I've done, and although she doesn't understand it, to kind of summarize today's video, although she doesn't understand it as an investment, she definitely appreciates everything about it. She appreciates what I'm doing. She appreciates, I think she appreciates the fundamentals behind it. Even though she doesn't fully understand it as an investment vehicle, she understands what it is. She understands that it's scarce. She understands that the supply is getting used up. She understands that over time it's going up in value instead of going down. But yeah, as a whole, she's very supportive. She's always been like that in anything I do. Whatever I've done in life, she's always been very, very supportive. So let me know in the comment section, what is your partner like? Does she stack with you? Does she just leave you be and let you stack on your own? Does she understand why you're stacking? I'll be very, very interested to hear. And like I said at the beginning of the video, if you create content here on YouTube, I'll be very interested to see some more videos covering this topic and going into a little bit more detail of your partner's thoughts and feelings on you stacking precious metals. Because when you're in a relationship, quite a lot of people have joint bank accounts. Quite a lot of people share their finances. So I'm guessing for some people, it is quite a tricky subject to tackle, especially if your partner doesn't understand it and you're spending your joint, essentially hard-earned cash onto something that they don't understand. So yeah, let me know. I'll be very, very interested to read through the comments and see what everyone's saying about this topic. I hope you enjoyed today's video. A bit of a different video for you to watch while I had a ramble. And yeah, I'm going to go for a nice walk now, and I will speak to you all very soon.